In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively manage backups for your WordPress website using Hostinger's hPanel. This process is incredibly important to ensure the safety and security of your website's data, whether you're updating plugins, making design changes, or just safeguarding against unforeseen issues. Keeping backups will give you peace of mind. Let's walk through the steps together. First things first, you'll need to log in to your Hostinger hPanel account. Make sure you have your credentials handy. If you have two-factor authentication or any other security measures enabled, be prepared to go through that extra step to access your account safely. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the hPanel dashboard, which is designed to be user-friendly even if you're not a tech expert. Next, you'll want to navigate to the Backups section. This can usually be found on the main dashboard, often under the Files section. But if you're having trouble locating it, take a moment to use the search function at the top of the page. Typing in Backups should lead you directly to where you need to be. Once you're in the Backup section, you'll see a list of your websites hosted with Hostinger. Find and select your WordPress website from this list. This ensures that any actions you take will be related specifically to that site, which is crucial to avoid affecting the wrong site, especially if you manage multiple ones. Now, with your WordPress site selected, you'll notice a couple of options are available for managing backups. You can either create a new backup or download any of the existing backups. If you're making significant changes soon, it's best practice to create a new backup right now. Simply click the Create Backup button. The platform will start processing, and this may take a few moments depending on the size of your website. Be patient and allow it to complete this important task. If you've previously created backups and just need to download them for extra security, locate the backup you wish to use and follow the prompts to download it to your computer. This backup can serve as a lifeline should anything go wrong with your site, allowing you to restore it back to a previous state. Finally, it's crucial to store these backup files safely offline. A good rule of thumb is to save them on an external hard drive or in a secure cloud storage service. This extra layer of security ensures that even if something happens to your main device, your website's data remains safe and recoverable. And that's it! You've successfully created and secured backups for your WordPress website using Hostinger's hPanel. With these backups stored properly, you're now better equipped to handle any issues that might come your way while managing your site.